हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। ये वीडियो थोड़ी शॉर्ट होने वाली है बिकॉज़ इसमें मैं एक छोटी सी मॉडिफिकेशंस आपको शो कराना चाहता हूँ जो मैंने अपनी कार में कराई है। एंड ये एक सब वूफर है विच इज़ फ्रॉम कैनवुड कंपनी एंड आई रिसेंटली इंस्टॉल्ड इट। एंड जो स्पीकर्स हैं, मैंने जो कार के स्टॉक स्पीकर्स हैं वही रखे हैं क्योंकि दो स्पीकर्स are really good. And why? Because this EcoSport is titanium model. इसमें ट्विटर्स भी हैं, स्पीकर्स भी अच्छे हैं, तो वो चेंज कराने की ज़रूरत नहीं थी। एंड फॉर enhanced bass I have installed Kenwood Sub-Woofer and the sound barrier amplifier, and let's show you how it looks, how it sounds basically. Let's open the boot. So this is the Kenwood Sub-Woofer and this is 1200 watt subwoofer, and this is specifically made cabinet for this. It's all wooden box and the subwoofer is giving amazing results. So it's quite a big box and I know कि boot space में थोड़ा issue रहेगा, but for long trips we can just take it out, and इसीलिए मैंने इसमें एक ये switch रखवाया है जिसको हम unplug कर देंगे and then we can take this box out. So as I told you कि वीडियो थोड़ा short रहने वाला है, then let's show you how this subwoofer sounds. Alright, so before I play a song, this is how my player equalizer looks, and this is the configuration. That's the manual configuration I use. So let's play the song for you. Not sure how the camera and the microphone made justice to the sound levels, but I hope you get idea how the subwoofer sounded. And talking about the cost of the subwoofer and amplifier, they all costed me for 7,000 rupees, and I didn't purchase them online, otherwise I would share the links in description. But I purchased from local market, and it's a Kenwood subwoofer and the sound barrier amplifier, and just a normal copper wiring. That's it. So that's it for today. I know this is a small video, but in future I'm going to get some more updates regarding my car, my experience about the car. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care all.